Hello, welcome to LR Options. Today, we're going to go over some of the reasons you might be losing the trades you enter and how you can improve your trading online. At the end of this video, you should be able to identify the areas you are having problems with and adjust accordingly. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our new coming videos. Okay, so let's get started. When I was first new to trading, I would ask myself, why do I always lose in trading? And how can I improve my trading online? Well, today we're going to be going over the most common errors made in trading and how to correct them. First, you need to collect and list the last 10 trades you've made. Then you need to look at each one individually. And we'll be looking at number 1, stock liquidity. Number 2, the bid-ask spread. Number 3, open interest. Number 4, entry time. Okay, so number 1, stock liquidity. Why is this important? The liquidity of a stock allows you to open and close your trades quickly and easily. So the stock has to trade a high enough volume of shares for all traders to get in and out of trades at any time before expiration. Therefore, you can convert your trade into cash easily because there will be most likely another trader at the other end willing to buy your shares. Good liquidity is usually up in the millions. Okay, here you can see by the arrow showing you that this particular stock has a volume of over 48 million. Okay, number 2, the bid-ask spread. Now, this is the difference between the buyers and sellers' prices. You need to look at this before entering your trade. You see, if the bid price is $25, and let's say that the ask price is $25.01, then this is considered a tight spread. But if you see a $25 price for a bid and a $27 price for the ask, then you're already entering this trade losing money. So the wider the spread, the more money you lose, and the further your stock has to move for you to either get even or make a profit. Okay, so over here on this particular stock, we see that the bid is $37.30, and over here the ask price is $37.38, which is a difference of 8 cents. Okay, number 3, open interest. This refers to the number of open contracts that have not been closed and are held by buyers or sellers. High open interest is a sign of high liquidity, and the trader should have little problem entering or exiting their trade. So over here in the column to the right, you see this is the open interest column, and you see that for this stock, the first stock that you see with the blue arrow, is the liquidity is only 25, but when you go further down, the liquidity is over 62,000. That's high liquidity. So therefore, if you get into that trade at that price, you should have no problem getting in or out. Okay, next we're going to go into entry time. Many times we wait too long to enter a trade. We enter when the trade is about to reverse. This happens because we waited to enter when the trade is nearing the top and is at the end of its trend. The best time to enter a trade is when the trend is either beginning and has been running for 1 to 2 days. Usually after 3 to 5 days, many trends start to reverse or flatten, trend sideways, and go in the other direction. So do not wait too long to enter when you see a new trend. So as soon as you start paying attention to those previous 4 very important parts to a trade, you should start seeing a significant improvement and more profitable trades. So like I said in the beginning, look for your last 10 trades, see how all of these 4 points applying to your trades. Did you enter your trade too early? Did you enter your trade too late? Was there high liquidity? Well, was there low liquidity in your trade? Was that bid ask price too wide and therefore you went into the trade already losing money? Was the volume of that stock too low and maybe you couldn't get out, or it took you a long time to get out, and by the time you were able to get out of the trade, your price either went in the reverse direction and you started to lose money, and by the time you closed the trade, you either were even or lost money. So that's it for now. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. Let everyone know what we're doing here at LR Options. See you next time.